2024, we are planning the biggest VW commercial vehicles model launch ever seen in history. On the one hand, there is the new California with an incredible number of fans. Ever since we presented the concept car last year, I've been looking forward to the world premiere this summer. And secondly, we have the new Transporter, which will follow on from the legendary T6.1. It will be available in the familiar body styles as a panel van, drop side, caravel and combi. And on top of that, this car will be available as a fully electric version, as a plug-in hybrid and also as a diesel. But today, we're talking about a completely different skyrocket, namely this fantastic car, the new ID. Buzz GTX, which is celebrating its world premiere today. The most powerful camper van of all time, 340 horsepower and a legendary 6.5 seconds from 0 to 100 kph. Unbelievable. And here you see the sporty, the distinctive front that we developed especially for the GTX. And also this fantastic color you see here, cherry red. It's a special color that defines the sporty elegance of this vehicle. Alternatively, the vehicle is also available in a two-tone paint finish, cherry red at the bottom and solid silver at the top. The vehicle will be available in two wheelbase versions, normal and long. The long wheelbase will also have a larger battery with up to 86 kilowatt-hours. In addition to its distinctive front, the ID. Buzz GTX comes with black mirror caps and black 21-inch wheels. Looks awesome. The sporty design of the ID. Buzz GTX continues in the interior as well. Black trims, a black headliner and black seats with the typical GTX red stitching. The ID. Buzz GTX normal wheelbase is available as a 5- and 6-seater and the long wheelbase as a 6- or 7-seater. And you always get the typical van feeling thanks to the high seating position and plenty of interior roominess. The display is extra large, now 12.9 inches, plus EDA voice control, including ChatGPT. With its electrically extendable tow bar, the ID. Buzz GTX is the sportiest towing vehicle in the ID family. A towing capacity of 1,800 kilos is perfect for a bike, board, horse trailer or a caravan. And with its intelligent 4-motion all-wheel drive, the ID. Buzz GTX offers optimum traction on any terrain. So, to summarize, the most powerful camper van of all time with 2 wheelbases and 2 battery sizes, optionally as a 5, 6 or 7-seater. Plus, all-wheel drive as standard, optimum pulling power and traction in every driving situation. It should really be called the ID. Buzz GTXXL. So, 2024 is off to a really good start.